Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect to Salesforce org. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to synchronize the data between two Salesforce organization, all you need to do is to enable the Salesforce to Salesforce feature in your organization. The S2S feature will allow you to synchronize the data between your two organization, and for that you will need just to enable this setting. So first we need to switch to the classic mode. So basically this setting we can enable it in classic mode. So click in your profile picture, then go switch to Salesforce Classic, and after that we need to go to setup, and from setup here we will need just to go and search for to Salesforce. So from here, as you can see, we can find the Salesforce to Salesforce setting. So first, we click on settings and make sure to enable it. So here, I'm just going to edit. I'm going to enable it. And then I'm just going to click on save. So after that, you will need just to go and start configuring your Salesforce to Salesforce. And basically, we need to start adding the connection tab to the display. So now we go and add our tab here. So in the plus, we need just to go for connections and we add it. And basically now you can start adding new connection with your organization. So here you will need just to connect to, and now you will need just to add your organization, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.